Hello, good day, and welcome here once again to La Token Venture Capital TV. My name is Xavier, and I'll be your host for today. Like every session, we bring you the innovation, technology, and solutions you want to hear about. And best of all, you get to hear it from the CEO, the founders of the project. Just before we move into the interviews, remember you can always see our previous shows and content by visiting latoken.com/VCTV/shows. One very important reminder, anything mentioned here is not any type of financial advice. Please do your research before making any decisions. It's your choices and your responsibility. And with that said, I would like to welcome to the CEO of Septillion, Niraj Kumar. Niraj, how are you? Very welcome to the show.
I'm totally. It's a good day for me, sir. So I'm totally fine over here.
Good, good, good. Very welcome. I was reading a lot about Septillion. All reviewing your website, and it's the world's first decentralized marketplace with a
Yeah.
blockchain infrastructure, and even more, you're having your IEO at Latoken. So we're going to talk
So,
all about that. I'll share the page, but can I ask you please to introduce yourself, the team, and the project to our viewers today?
often, my name is Neeraj, and I am from India right now, and we have designed this token to have the access on the equity game life, and we are on a data conversion, so that we are designing a project we can design a data of 100 GB into 1 to 100 MB. So I think this will bring a very good revolution in the industry, as we all know that data conversion is a very crucial part right now, because we need to access the data in the remote places, because if we want to share any data on the laptop in a PC, it's not possible to bring the things everywhere. So we are doing the thing for a mobility. So this is our main goal, and once again we are creating a very good game. This is going to come within 30 to 35 days in the market, and the game is totally different. Actually, this game is not provided yet now. So we are working 24 into 7 to provide the game access. So the token is going to be very crucial. And if you're going over the white paper, so this is simply a tokenomics that we have provided over there. We're going for the fourth stage of IO, and after that we'll get listed in good exchanges. And the most thing that we have chosen the best exchange, I think, among the top 10 what we have searched from here. And we have talked from the team, the La token. They are helping me a lot to grow the community, to grow the business, everything. So in future we are coming with a very good result. So this is the start. This is the start.
Okay, and just for our viewers to clarify, when it's written on the website, as we can see here, I'm sharing the septillion.io website in case our viewers want to know more about the project, like the advantages, the token, the services, the roadmap, and the white paper. Please do visit septillion.io as you have below in the banner. Now, so going back to the questions, the world's first decentralized marketplace. Can you please talk about the marketplace? Do you mean that it is like an exchange place, or is it a
No, it's not.
marketplace?
It's not an exchange. Actually, see, the technologies are developing day by day. Each and every day, we are going with a new technology. Few years back, if you are talking about the crypto market, that was another platform. Right now, this is another platform. So the thing is that what we are creating, we are totally going to design the thing differently. Okay, we are creating the blockchain. We are creating a marketplace. Right, marketplace means we are gathering some communities, some countries over which we can provide the data and the utility directly to the people. Okay, so this is the this is the second part of the token that we will discuss in the second phase of the VCTV. I think we are having two phases, and in the second phase I will make the thing very clear. So some things that we are working over it. So currently we are on the IO. So better we will talk about this in the second phase. I will give you the brief description and a detailed description about what the marketplace and what the decentralized blockchain over there. Okay, we are into it. We are just working into it.
Okay, very
And
good, very good. Yep, go ahead. Okay, so continuing, Niraj. Now, what when you just started this project, you and your co-founders, what problem did you foresee and you tried to solve and motivated you to start the project?
okay, actually, it's a very emotional question. Actually, I have completed my whenever I have an MBA. Actually, it's in India, Symbiosis is a very reputed institute. It's the good college among the Asian countries, right? So fortunately, I am very fortunate that I have completed my MBA with a very good colleges. And what the thing was there, one of my colleague was there, and he asked me to buy some BTC over there, right? but I don't know where the BTC has gone and where the money has gone. And being the part of the engineering technology and MBA technology, I was somewhat curious about the thing to do something better. So I started studying about the crypto. I started studying about all the project day and night. Actually, I've given 4.5 years to learn many things about the blockchains, to learn what type of blockchains are there, how many uniscripts are there, how to design a blockchain, what the things you need to create cryptocurrency, what will be the roadmap, how you can going to deploy a market, how to gather a market, how to provide something extra to the people who want a utility from my side. Fine. So after that was a very emotional part that I will say. But the thing is, I get inspired from what my seniors, my college, that how you could get indulged into a new thing, because I was knowing the thing that is going to be developed. Actually, I am from India, and I was knowing, being the MBA graduate, I know the thing is of digital here, and the coming 10 years is of crypto, right? So I have given my best in the crypto industry, and I have studied a lot, and that's why I've designed my own token. And very frankly, I've never invested in any token right now, because it was motto was that I will design my own token, I will put in the market, and I will go to the number one exchanger like you. And still, I'm trying my best so that I will get listed in each and every good reputed exchanges, and to make the crypto very efficient. So this is a lot of work from my side. Okay, this is a lot of work from my side that I can't share my feelings. So yes, still I'm sitting with you. This is a great part. This is a privilege for me.
Great, great. Well done. And Niraj, how long did it took you from the time that you saw that there was a problem you wanted to solve until now, until you're listed? How long did it take you?
Actually, I behind it. I worked for 4.5 years approx, right? But yeah, I have worked for 4.5 years. I have studied everything. As already I told you, I am a BTech and I am an MBA graduate. Okay, so I am a two degree right now. So being into electronics and telecommunication branch, and into the marketing segment, already I am mostly in business administration. So I have combined both the things. So I have studied a lot. I have the thing what I've gathered from the internet, from the social books, and from my partners. So we have collaborated a team over here. Okay, so we have studied first actually what the crypto, how to make a sense in the market. Is this a part of selling and buying only, or we can provide something extra to the people? Okay, because once you are giving a good utility means you are gaining a very good community. So our main work is to gain a very good community, right? We have to make our reputation, we have to make our prestige in the market. Fine. So we have worked for 4.5 years. After that, if you will say, it has taken around 8 months to deploy the project, and now it's live in the lab token.
Yeah, and that is also very important. And to our viewers, we will share it with you a little bit later on. But Septillion is listed in La Token, and currently we having the round two out of four rounds. So that is
Yeah.
very interesting. And why is it relevant? Because you know that at a second round, the prices of the token are still relatively low comparing to what will be in the third and fourth round. So obviously you're going to have straight benefits right there. Okay, and let's move on. And again, to our viewers, drop us your comments in the chat. We want to hear from you. And also remember, you can learn more about the project by visiting the website septillion.io. And please do learn about the project. Very important. So we're getting a few questions from the audience. And if you don't mind, I would like to pop them up a little bit now. And the first one is, what are the biggest challenges you expect to face, and how do you plan to overcome these challenges?
So this is a very simple question. Actually, the audience is what the biggest challenge is. If you are into a market, so first of all, we need to understand what actually the market is going on, right? And to
Mhm.
face the challenges, first of all, we have to analyze it. We have to go for a very good market analysis first, and then after, let's see what the best we can do over there. We will plan accordingly.
Okay, very good. Second question we have received is from Tamim is, what regulation and requirements govern Septillion?
Actually, it's a very clear mention over there that we are deployed on Binance Smart Chain. So this is a POS token, it's a proof of stake. So whenever the POS is concerned, it's a point of sale point, right? So in the point
Yeah.
of sale, we have just gone through the Binance, so I don't need any regulatory body to overcome it. It's already running on the BNB. Once I will make it a fine, I will have my own blockchain, and definitely we are going to have a regulatory body over there in the future. within six
Also,
months. This is my
so
full
actually,
plan.
so actually, part of the long-term project is to have your own blockchain.
We are designing over it. Our team is into it.
Oh
Because
wow,
we are
okay.
coming, yeah, because we are coming into NFT, and definitely we need our own blockchain, and we are planning to operate it from Dubai right now. That's very frankly I'm telling you, because in India right now it's not permissible, but we are operating from Dubai. So currently we are a POS consciousness, and already running on Binance. So right now we don't really need a regulatory body, but in future within 3 to 4 months, once I launch my game, I will have my own blockchain over there, and that will be regulated from the Dubai government.
Okay, very good. And we're gonna touch more about the roadmap and what you have planned, but a little bit later on during the show. Now, let's talk about the token. That's a little bit like what's relevant for our traders at the moment. How does the token get involved in the whole project and the ecosystem?
Can you repeat it please once again?
Yeah, about the token. How does the token work, and how is it integrated in the ecosystem? Is it a utility token? What kind of
Got,
token?
got it. No, it's actually we have given two concepts over there. One is the gaming that I already tell you, and we are just creating a game in the metaverse, and that will be inside the aquatic life that you can play in the VR, right? This is totally a 3D game. A 3D you can play a very live game over there, and if some few people what they face, they don't have their space in their mobile. If they want to have a very short space over there, they can convert their data into MB, and even they can download the game over there, right? So the game is going to be very unique. And if you are talking about the ecosystem, so it's on the metaverse. The game is going to be totally unique, right? And if they want to have the game, they want to enjoy the compression ratio, then they need to have Septillion to buy it.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So then, in that sense, it will be a little bit of a utility token, right? Because they will have to buy,
Right,
purchase things, and they.
it's a utility token, but the utility should be somewhat different from any other token that we are already on it.
Okay, and then obviously the token will be the currency, the native currency in the metaverse.
Right.
Okay, and then they will as well be able to acquire NFTs.
So,
Okay, and when do you plan to launch the metaverse?
it's around maximum 60 days before, because our developers are working on it, and we have decided once we list the token for the trade, now I will launch the game also, right?
Okay,
So it
good.
will take around 1.5 months probably,
All right,
because the
now
things are about.
very good. When you think you're gonna have it ready, you're more than welcome to come back on the show, give us a tour around the metaverse, a demo,
Yeah,
so we can
sure,
have
sure,
a
sure.
look at it.
Actually, I didn't slept whole night. You can see my face. Oh, yes, this is the time that we were having the large token VCTV. But still, we were working 24 into 7 to make this project very successful. Okay. And I will, in the next VCTV, I'm going to provide certain good things over there, so that people will start loving the token, that what actually the token is, right? So it's about the NFT, gaming, hospitality as well. Because hospitality, we are going to plan out for the entire world. That's in the travel section and all.
Aha, okay, great. And then as we can read here in the gaming zone, in the
Yeah.
gaming token of Septillion, players will be able to use the token for in-game characters, weapons, etc. And this will allow them to earn crypto as they complete their missions. So then it's
Yep.
got a little bit of the GameFi area as well, right?
This is the NFT that we're designing over there.
Okay, very good. So again, to our viewers, you have all the information here needed in order to make a
Yeah.
decision. You have the description of Septillion, the growth it has, all the benefits, the rewards. Can we talk a little bit about the rewards? What can you explain auto reflection? How does that work?
If you are asking about the rewards in the wallet, that auto reflection means we are going to have, like you can go with the Binance Smart Chain. So once the token will be supplied, they are directly getting 5% bonus for that in wallet to
Mhm.
wallet transfer.
Okay, and on top of that, you have okay the liquidity locked and
Yeah, at
automatic.
the time at the time of the trade, we are going to lock at least 15 to 20 BNB over there.
Okay, that's going to be locked, and then the
Yeah,
automatic profit deliveries.
This will be in the NFT section. Once the game will be created, they will get the benefit over there.
Okay. Okay. Very. And that will be implemented, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And here we have the token, of course, that we were talking about, SPT, and you can maximize your profits. We know that it will be impossible to hack, obviously, because it's the ledger on the blockchain.
Yes, yeah.
When it's mentioned earn money while sleeping, is this a little bit like working like staking the token?
No, that's not like stacking. Actually, the project is going to be so robust in the market that once our NFT and our compression ratio will be delivered, the people will use it, start using it, right? And they will use in such a rigorous manner, then the things will go very cool at that point of time once the trade will get started.
Okay, great, great, great. Good, I understand now. Now, talking about the benefits for investors when they invest or buy your token, can you please tell our viewers what will be their benefits?
Yeah, this is a very good question, sir. Actually, what the thing right now, we have not chosen a one day IO program. Right now, what happened now? Actually, you are very old in this. I'm even new here. So, if I thought we have never launched the initial coin offering on our own exchanges, okay, we are not going for the rug pools, and also we have decided not to go on the IDO itself. So the first thing that we have given our first milestone in very reputed exchange, that is the LA token. Okay, and I am again telling this is my privilege for me to have my token on this exchange, and this is a hybrid IO. Okay, so that's why we have decided the fourth phases, so that we are starting from the very good profitability ratio, and we have divided the segment into four parts, right? So before trade, obviously they are going to get a very good return. That is up to the research, they are going to make at least 3x 4x profit over there. So this is totally mentioned because we have completed our $0.45 IO first exchange. Right now it's 0.625. Then after this will gonna to be increased, right? So once the trade will accept, the investors are going to get a very good profit over there. And once the token will be listed, we will start our market making strategy, and we will put our game over there. Once the public will reach, the profitability will be more.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Good. And now I think is the time I'll stop sharing this screen and I would like to move into another screen that I would like to share with our viewers. If you just please give me 1 minute. And here it is. This is the La Token page where you would actually be able to participate and purchase the token. And the link for it, as you can see below, it's latoken.com/IEO/SPT. If you go to that web page, then you will see here on the right side that we are in the second round, started on the 22nd of June and it'll end up on the 29th. Currently, the price is 0.675 USDT per token. And please do remember that there's a round three and a round four. Obviously, you see that the price is increasing according to each round. So it is a very good time to participate in round two only after you have learned more about the project. And I would like to repeat that please immerse yourself in the project, learn more about it, educate yourself. And if you consider necessary or you convenient, then you are able to invest in La Token or via La Token in the Septillion SPT token. Now, if you do not have an account in La Token, please simply go to latoken.com, open account, and you will need to upload one piece of ID for it. And then you'll be ready to trade. So as we can see again here, you have all the necessary information about the project to make a decision. You have the summary, you have the economics, the token allocation, how the funds will be used, more details about the allocation of the tokens, the media mentions, and the team itself. So all that is very important in order for you to make a decision. So remember, please go to latoken.com/IEO/SPT in order to participate in the project. Now, moving on, Niraj, can you please explain what makes your project different so that investors can move forward and invest in your project? Because there might be projects that are similar than yours, but what's your differentiator?
The only difference is, see, Abyss, first of all, we can become our own cryptocurrency, right? So we have to make our own crypto assets. This is a reality, and we have to put the value of our assets, right? So we are giving our best effort. We are totally visible in the market. We are going through very reputed marketing agencies. And the last but not the least, the game we were designing, this is totally unique. Till date, the game is not inside the world, the game that I am going to be create. This will be a very good surprise for all my users in futures, and this will make the speedy very different, right? And the compression ratio, this is the main thing. This is going to bring a very good revolution in the market. So once the token will be launched and once the game and compression ratio will be launched, people will come to know what the new thing I have brought down in the market for the entire world.
Okay, good. And now let's jump on what we were little bit what we were talking before about the roadmap. Now, I know it's very hard to forecast what's going to happen in 1 year from now because you have the
Yeah,
market conditions, you have the regulators, you have technology also,
yeah,
and a new tokens coming up. So it's such a fast-paced market that we are in.
yeah.
It's very difficult to forecast. But if
Yeah.
you could, where would you like to see Septillion in a couple of years from now?
Among top 10.
Okay. Well, let's say in 1 year from now, what is your expectations?
I can't tell you the expectations, but the expectation will be the best in the market. So I don't want to disclose the figure. I don't want to figure it out. But I will make this token. I will try to among top 20, top 30 over there. And even though you people are there to boost it out.
Oh, okay, good. And because we spoke about that, you can have the metaverse, right? And that'll be coming around in 30 to 40 days.
Sure.
That you're gonna have the NFTs as well.
Yeah.
You're the as we can see on the right hand side of the screen. The fourth one will be in the 14th of July. You're gonna have the
What is that?
NFT part as well. Is there something and you mentioned as well that you plan at one point to have your own blockchain?
Yeah. We are working on it, right?
And when do you think that's gonna be launched?
The date will be around. This is the month of June, July. That will be 17th to 18th of August.
Okay, so okay, not that far away.
Yeah, it's very closer to. The things are very close.
Okay, very good, very good. Now, as again, I mentioned before, you're very welcome to join the show once again and
Thank
give
you.
you whatever demo information you want to tell us. And also, according to the roadmap, you will have the Septillion wallet and the Septillion swap.
Yeah.
How
First
is
of all, we
the
will go for the swap. Then after we will go for the wallet. Once the blockchain will be designed, then after we will proceed for the things in the second part.
okay? And how is the wallet going to work? Is it going to be like a standard wallet that people will be
No,
able to?
yeah, this will be standard wallet. Once we are creating our own blockchain, so we are working over it. Once we get the blockchain, then we will design the wallet.
Okay, okay. So
So
then,
this will act like a ledger, right? So this will act like a ledger.
okay, and I guess after that, then you will have your own exchange.
Yeah,
And exchange, how many pairs are you planning to implement?
BTC will be the mandate, and if you're going
Okay.
about the yeah, that will be ETC, TRX. I will try for SPT also.
Okay. Very good. Okay. That's great. So again, to our viewers, you are able to see more information about the roadmap, the white paper, the services, the token, the advantages, and the project itself. So all the information needed is there. As another question, your blockchain is based on Binance. Why did you go for Binance, as there are other several ecosystems in the market?
Due to the transaction fast ratio and some sort of gas fees over there, right? And right now, Binance is just overcoming the market of the Ethereum, and right now, Polygon is overcoming over there. So we have started the thing because ultimately we have to design our blockchain. So my motto was to have its own blockchain. So I have chosen Binance because right now that's running very good after ETH. Okay, So because now we have to go for the trade, we have to go for the gas fee. So this is a convenient blockchain, I think. What have the study dive done over?
Okay, fair enough. Fair enough. Now, Septillion is decentralized. What was the reason for going for decentralization while you were planning to going to have the wallets, the exchange, and so on? What is it? What are the benefits?
Actually, first of all, whenever we are going to create our dApps, and already listed, already we are using the blockchain of Binance. So right now we can say that this is decentralized, but once the blockchain will be created, we will go on the centralized platform.
Okay, very okay. So you might go into a centralized platform.
Right now we are decentralized because we are using the blockchain of another BNB and all. So once we will create our own blockchain on NFT, everything will be ours. Then definitely we prefer to go for the centralized zone.
Okay, understood. Very good. So once
Yes.
again, to our viewers, you are able to participate in the project by visiting token.com/IEO/SPT. And you can also learn more about the project if you want to get in contact with them. You can go to septillion.io. Okay, thank you very much for the information, Niraj. Is there anything else you would like to tell to our viewers today?
Now, for my viewers, I am very happy that I am in front of all of you. This is my privilege. And in the second VCTV, I am going to disclose certain new about the project that will be totally surprising. Okay, I am coming with all the gaming futures. I am coming with all the things that we are developing 24 into 7. Our team are working over here. So this is the first part. In the second part, I am going to tell each and everything, the benefit, the prospect, the genuinity, and the thing that is totally unique in the market, right? So we have to wait for the second session. That will also bring a surprise for me also.
Yeah, okay, perfect. And listen, we are waiting. When you finish the metaverse, we're more than welcome to come on the show again and give us a tour around it. That would be fantastic. So, with that said, Niraj, we are very happy to be assisting you with the IEO with the
Thank
second, third,
you.
and fourth round coming up soon. And definitely, we welcome your community to La Token.
Thank you.
And if there's anything else, then please let us know. We can future it here in the show.
So
Okay.
first of all, I am expecting about a good closure of the IU. Then once the trade will be started, the things are totally going to be new in the market. People will come. People will be aware about the consistency of the project what I brought in the market, right? So first of all, I expected from the users. I have expected that I expected a very good support even from the users also, so that they get indulged in the IU. They start buying the tokens so that I can get a very good community. Once the community will be gained, actually we are having a very good community over here. We are also doing a very hard scale marketing. Okay, we have not we have given our best effort in the market to get visible to each and every public. We are having our Telegram, Discord community, each and everything, social media also. So the thing, what I expect from my users to get indulged in a token, buy as much can as they wish. Okay, I only want to man the community. Once the community will build up, I will put my things in the market, and the things will going to be very unique.
Okay, great, fantastic. Then we do help to be there all the way, helping and assisting you and
Thank
assisting
you.
the project. Okay, once again, Niraj, thank you very much for joining us. It's been a real pleasure. To our viewers, thank you for participating. Thank you for your comments and questions. And then we hope to see you again in the next show. Have a great day. Thank you,
Yeah.
Niraj.
Thank you. Thank you, Sabah.
Thank you. Goodbye.